Which of the following is not a metal? Sulfur. Which of these is an acid? Vinegar. Which gas is needed for burning? Oxygen. Which substance can change directly from solid to gas? Dry ice. The part of an atom that orbits the nucleus is the electron. The outermost electrons of an atom are called valence electrons. Which element is used to disinfect water? Chlorine. Which metal is most reactive with water? Potassium. What is the chemical formula for hydrochloric acid? HCl. Which is the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust? Aluminium.